Welcome to Knitting Lessons channel. Today, we'll knit a hat for the volume for the hat 54 centimeters. We'll knit a yarn 100% of merino. We'll knit a little more than 3 skeins. One skein of 50 grams has 90 meters. We'll also knit a needle and an additional needle and a marker. 2 pairs of needles, one needles number 3 and second are number 4.5. We'll knit number 3 for a rib and 4.5 for the braids. You can watch a review on the needles on my channel, and I always leave a link where I bought them under the video. I bought them on AliExpress. If you have another needles, it's recommended to have them with the line not less than 40 centimeters. And about a hat. We'll knit a rib till the height we need first. In the last row, we'll move to larger needles and add the stitches to that so that the number of stitches is divisible by 18, as far as the pattern consists of 18 stitches. To have a circular pattern, you need to add the number of stitches divisible by 18. I added half of the stitches from that number of stitches I cast on for the rib. I made crisscrosses in the 6th and in the 12th rows. The pattern consists of 12 rows. I mean, you've knitted 12 rows and then repeat the pattern from the 1st till the 12th row till the height you need. And when we need the needed height, we'll cast off the stitches. I'll show you how. I have same hats on my channel. I have the same hat but with braids of 18 stitches. But the crisscrosses we did in the 7th row. Here I did them in the 6th row. Also, I have the same hats with braids of 9, 15 and 12 stitches, but they all are different a little bit from each other. Also, subscribe to my channel. Let's start knitting a hat. We need to cast on 97 stitches on the needles. For a hat, 96 stitches and 1 stitch to connect the stitches in a circle. We'll have the set of stitches with elastic edge. So take the needles, place them under the thread which is on the thumb and pointer finger, and lead these needles to the pointer finger. Catch the thread, then lead it to the thumb, also catch the thread, and enter the needles into the stitch created on the pointer finger. Cast off the stitch. Now we have 2 stitches on the needles. Next, we repeat those actions. Again, lead the needles to the pointing fingers, then lead them to the thumb and enter the needles into the stitch created on the pointing finger. Cast off the thread. Like that you cast on the needed number of stitches. Again, lead the needles to the pointing finger, then lead them to the thumb and enter the needles into the stitch created on the pointing finger. Cast off the thread. We have such stitches created. And continue casting on the needed amount of stitches. I'll repeat again. Enter the needles under the thread on the pointing finger, then lead it to the thumb, catch the thread and cast off. Let's repeat. Enter the needles under the thread on the pointing finger, lead it to the thumb, catch the thread and cast off the stitch from the pointing finger. We have such stitches. Cast on 97 stitches. I've cast on 97 stitches. Now we take away 1 needle, check the stitches to be even, and connect them in a circle. For that, move a stitch from the left to the right needle. Then a float, cast off the stitch and return to the left needle. Tighten the thread carefully, place the marker and start knitting a rib one by one. Knit a knit, a purl, knit a knit, a purl. Continue knitting like that till the end of the row. A knit and a purl, a knit, front, and a purl front. In the next row, we will knit a knit front and a purl back. I will knit so, you knit as you feel comfortable. Continue knitting. A knit, a purl. Continue knitting like that, circle-wise, till the marker. Continue. The first row of the rib is done, then knit the second and all the other rows like that. A knit front, a purl back. Continue knitting like that till the end of the row. A knit, a purl, a knit, a purl. Continue knitting like that. A knit front, a purl back. A knit front, like that, a purl back. Continue knitting like that till the end of the row, till the marker. Then replace the marker and continue knitting a rib till the height you need. We've knitted a rib till the height we need. We have about 17-18 centimeters. In the last row I moved to larger needles. We've knitted a rib till the height we need. So we need to add the number of stitches so that the total number of them is divisible by 18. We need to add half of the number of stitches we already cast on. We cast on 96 stitches. Half of them is 48 stitches. 96 plus 48 is 144 stitches for a pattern. And we'll have then a circular pattern. We'll add near every knit stitch. We'll add from a float. Here is our knit stitch. Raise a stitch from the float and knit it knitwise. Here is the first row. Here we'll knit all the stitches knitwise and add stitches. No need to add any more stitches afterwards. We add only in the first row. So we've added the first knit, knit a knit knitwise, and knit a purl as a knit. Again, we have a knit and add raise a stitch from a float and knit it back. Knit a knit as a knit, knit a purl as a knit. Next is a stitch from a float, again knit it back, knit a knit knitwise and a purl knitwise. Again add, knit back, knit as a knit, a purl as a knit. Again add near the knit, knit back, a knit as a knit, a purl as a knit, again a knit, raise a knit from the float, knit back, a knit, knit a purl as a knit, again a stitch from a float, knit back, knit a knit as a knit, and the purl as a knit. So add like that till the end of this row. I'll repeat. We add near a knit, raise a stitch from a float and knit it back. A knit as a knit, a purl back, again a knit, and we add knit back knitwise, a knit, a purl as a knit. And like that till the end of the row, circle-wise till that marker. Circle-wise, add stitches, only in the first row. I've knitted the first row till the end, we've added stitches. Now we have 144 stitches on the needles. Next we knit the second row. The third, the fourth and the fifth rows knitwise. We'll have a crisscross in the braid in the sixth row. So knit the second row knitwise front. All the stitches are knit as knits. So knit like that, circle-wise, till the end, circle-wise, front, till the marker, I'll repeat. You knit this row till the end, and the third, the fourth, the fifth rows knitwise also. We'll meet in the sixth row. See you? That is the sixth row. We've knitted 5 rows knitwise, and there will be a crisscross in the sixth row. We'll need an additional needle for that. Take away 6 stitches to it and leave them in front of the work. Next, knit 6 knits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then return those 6 stitches to the left needle or knit them from additional needle, it's up to you. Knit them knitwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 knits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the pattern of the 6th row. Repeat it till the end of the row. We'll repeat it again. Take away 6 stitches to it, to the additional needle and leave them in front of the work. 4, 5, 6. Leave them in front of the work. Next, knit 6 knits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then return those 6 stitches to the left needle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Knit them knitwise. And 6 knits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the next pattern. Repeat till the end of the row. We'll repeat again. Again, take away 6 stitches to the additional needle and leave them in front of the work. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Leave in front of the work. Next, knit 6 knits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then return to the left needle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Knit them knitwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 knits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the next pattern. So we repeated 3 patterns. 1, 2, 3. Repeat it till the end of the row. The 6th row is done. We made crisscrosses in the braid. Next, knit the 7th, the 8th, the 9th, the 10th and the 11th rows knitwise. We have next crisscross in the 12th row. It's the 7th row according to the pattern. We knit all the stitches knitwise. Front, knits as knits. Knit that row front till the end, till the marker. So continue knitting like that till the end. I'll repeat once again. We'll knit the 7th, the 8th, the 9th, the 10th, the 11th rows knitwise. We'll meet in the 12th row. It's the 12th row. We'll again knit an additional needle. We knit 6 knits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, take away 6 stitches to the additional needle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Leave them behind work. Next, knit 6 knits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, return those 6 stitches from the additional needle and knit them also knitwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the pattern of the 12th row. Repeat it till the end. Let's repeat it once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stitches are done. Next, leave 6 next stitches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 behind work. Knit next 6 stitches knitwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, return 6 stitches from the additional needle to the left one, and we knit them also knitwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we've knitted our next pattern. Let's knit it once again. 1, knit next pattern, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, we take away to the additional needle 6 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Leave them behind work. Next, knit next 6 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Return 6 stitches to the left needle. Knit them also knitwise. Knit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we've knitted the next pattern. Repeat it till the end of the row. The 12th row is the last of our pattern. Next, you repeat the pattern from the first till the 12th row till the height you need. We added in the first row. Don't add anywhere else. Knit in the next first rows only knitwise. So knit the 12th row till the end. Next, repeat the pattern from the first till the 12th row. Let's knit when we cast off the top. Now, repeat the pattern from the first till the 12th row till the height you need. See you and when you need to cast off. I've knitted a head till the length I need. I have 16 centimeters from the rib till the top of the head. According to the pattern, it's the 6th row. We made a crisscross in the 6th row. We'll also knit a crisscross and cast off the stitches here. We left 6 stitches in the 6th row in front of the work. We do the same now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Leave them in front of the work. Next, knit 2 next stitches knitwise together. 2 knits and 2 knit stitches again together. Return 6 stitches. Knit 2 stitches together. 2 knits, 2 stitches together. So we cast off 2 stitches more and knit 2 stitches together. 2 knits, 2 stitches together. That is the pattern which you repeat till the end of the row. We'll cast off 6 stitches in each pattern. So our braid will be from 12 stitches. Repeat this pattern again. Again, leave 6 stitches in front of the work. Next, knit 2 stitches knitwise together. 2 knits and again 2 stitches together. Return 6 stitches to the left needle. Again here. Knit 2 next stitches together. 2 knits and 2 stitches together. We have 6 more stitches from the braid, so knit 2 stitches together. I'll stretch them a little. 2 knits. Afterwards, 1, 2, 2 stitches together. That is the next pattern, which you repeat till the end of the row. We cast off 6 stitches in each pattern. We needed 2 patterns, the first and the second one. We cast off 6 stitches in each pattern. Knit that row till the end, like this. I've knitted the first row of casting off. I cast off 6 stitches in each pattern. Now we knit 5 rows up to the next crisscross. Knitwise, without adding, front. Next casting off will be in the crisscross. So that will be the 12th row. Knit knitwise 5 rows. Continue knitting like this, knitwise 5 rows. Like that. If you cast off not in the 6th row, but first and the 12th row, you cast off the same way. I mean, we now cast off in the first crisscross. You all can also cast off the same way in the 12th row. So continue knitting 5 rows knitwise and see you in the next casting off. Continue knitting 5 rows knitwise. It's the second casting off. You've knitted 5 rows knitwise after the first casting off. Now we have the second casting off in the 12th row in the crisscross in the braid. If you have the 6th row according to the pattern, cast off the same way. We knitted 6 stitches first, then left 6 stitches behind work. Now we'll knit 6 stitches because, as I told you, our pattern now consists of 12 stitches. 4, 4 and 4 stitches. That is our braid of 12 stitches. We knit first 4 stitches and cast off. Knit 2 together, and 2 together again. These are our 4 stitches. Next, leave 4 stitches behind work. Knit next 2 stitches together. Like that. And also next 2 together. Return those stitches and knit the same way. Knit 2 stitches together, like that. And next 2 stitches also together, knitwise. We made a crisscross in the braid and also cast off the stitches. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches from the braid. Next, you repeat this pattern till the end of the row. Knit again 2 stitches together and again 2 stitches together, like that. Next, 4 stitches you leave behind work. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Next, knit 2 neck stitches together, and again 2 neck stitches together. Next, return the stitches to the left needle and knit also 2 together, 2 together. We also cast off in the next braid, so you cast off in every pattern and knit that row till the end. We have the third casting off in our hat. We'll cast off 2 stitches together till the end of the row. Knit 2 stitches together, front, again 2 stitches together, and knit like that till the end of the row. 2 stitches together, again knit 2 stitches together, continue knitting like that till the end of the row. Knit 2 stitches together circle-wise till the end of the row. The fourth row of casting off, we again knit 2 stitches together till the end of the row. Knit front or back, it's up to you. 2 stitches together, 2 stitches together, 2 stitches together, knit like that circle-wise till the marker. I've done with casting off, cut off the thread, and you'll need a needle. Let's stretch a thread with the needle through the remained stitches. We cast off the stitches from one needle and stretch the thread. Now move to the second needle tighten the thread and hide from the reverse side. Here tighten it also and fix it. Then you'll hide the ends from the threads here and there. The hat is ready. You can wear it as it is or with a fur bob. It's up to you. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye bye.